Alright, YouTube, this is a Mercedes 2006 W220 S430, and I got into the middle of, all I wanted to do was just change the high beam bulb, and it turned into the big old complex mess here. So I couldn't find any videos on YouTube, so hopefully this will help you guys. Now, there's three bulbs, 1, 2, and 3. The middle one is the high beam, and this one over here is just a regular light. Okay. Now, normally you don't have to do this whole mess. All you do is just reach down here and unscrew this right like this, and then there's a metal clip right here, and if you push on it like this, it actually releases the whole bulb. All right. It's pretty simple. All you do is just do that right here, and then here, like, you want to film this here? Okay. And so then all you do is just simply take the bulb out like this, take like that. Now, this bulb, you never want to touch this glass bulb with your fingertips, because if you do, when you put it back in, it will fry the bulb. Okay. So now get down here so you can see. All right. You gotta get the. Okay. It more like this. Okay. So there's a metal clip, and what happened is that this little metal clip here, for somehow I pushed it the wrong way or something, and the whole thing came out, and it fell down to the casing. So I had to take the whole piece out here. And I was upside down. I was, had to turn the thing upside down and shake it all over the place just to get this thing out. So I finally got it to come out, and then to put it back in, there's a little clip right here, and all you do is push on it and then clip it right over, and that secures it. Okay. And then, all right. So now there's. Okay, now there's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's only 8 bolts to take out the whole headlight. And there's a bolt here, and you have to move the fender out a little bit so that you can get out the whole casing. And then I put this piece right here in order to kind of blow out the fender, so when I take the headlight, it's a lot easier. Now, right over here. So right over here, there's a little notch right here. That notch corresponds to this piece right here. Okay, so there's only 3 bolts to take out the whole. Actually, only 2 bolts to take out the headlight there. All right, so we got that place in here, and then take this place right here, and then you simply just. I think there's a shoot this here. There's a right way and a wrong way how to put this in here. Alright, so then you take this, you put it right in the bulb, looks good right there. Then you take the cap right here, and when you do this, you want to make sure this is nice and secure so that no moisture comes in here. Alright, so there's, on this one right here, you just put this right here, snap it in, that's good right there. Alright, now these lights here were replaced by the guy before I bought them, and I'm not sure where he got them from, or actually even what type they are, but they're really nice. Before the car was all. Alright, so come over here. What you do now? There's a connector right here. Can you see this, Lex?
Yeah.
Okay, connector right here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just connect that up here. There's only one real way that you can just actually go in here, so you can't really screw it up too bad. That's my first time ever doing this. I really didn't have any clue what I was doing. I watched a couple videos on YouTube to try to help me out. Okay. There's some way to do this. Let's see how we do this. Okay, the thing is not very long. Alright, let's see here. Kind of tricky how to get your hand in here to get that connector. Oh, there it is. Okay. There we go. Okay, can't really see what I'm doing here, but Alright, so technically all you have to do is put the little piece back in here. There it goes, slap right there. And then you're gonna have to. Okay. There. There it goes. There. Right. Right there. Looks good. That piece here. Okay, now I'm just gonna put my hand back here to make sure the connector is still in there. Looks good there. Okay, so cool. Right there. And put that here. Okay. So I'm going to start the car up, and I'm going to make sure that it actually works before I have to do it all. How long is the video? 6 minutes? Okay. Alright, so... Can you pause that?
Yeah.
Okay, so looks like it's good to go. That's the 12 by place right there. So it does work. All right, still on.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're good to go there. Turn the lights on. All right, so to put this back together, it's pretty simple. How you move this piece here. Oops. All right. So this, and you simply just piece right here, back. Okay, it looks good there. And this takes, you need two, this is a 10 millimeter here. Actually, yeah, that's right. Okay, looks good there. Alright, so then there is, my gloves back on here. Good, pause it. And hold on, yeah, it's early.
It is.
Oh, alright, so this piece right here, come on over here, let's see. You just simply, there's two bolts here, you put this right here, bolt there, and there. One bolt right here. It's actually pretty simple. In fact, I think from what I was hearing from other videos watching, they were saying that it's going to cost, if you take this to the Mercedes-Benz dealership, they're going to cost you like $300 to change a bulb. Like, no way. Do this yourself. A couple tools. This is a 10 millimeter right here. Me and my daughter could do this here. Okay, so, and then there's going to be, off here. There's one bulb, this one here goes right on top. Yeah, if it fits, maybe. Maybe. Ah, there you go. Go right down there. It's in. Maybe. Come on, baby. It's not going in for some reason. Probably pause it. Alright, so I got this headlight put back in place here, but I didn't make a mistake. When I was putting the headlight back in, there was a gap right down here, probably about that big, and just wasn't looking like the other light. So I came over here, I was like, that should be flush with the bumper. So let's make sure that's actually flush with the bumper right here. And like I said, you have to make sure that the notch over here, that the notch fits into the side of the panel. That way it'll actually fit in nice and smooth there. So that was just one thing I messed up on here, but now that you guys know. Then there's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts on that side, and then that's it. So you don't need help with putting the bolts on. So we'll pause this here. Alright, so we got this baby finished here. Got this bolt here in, got the headlight back in, got this metal piece to the frame back. It's kind of dark out here now, but when I was putting this back in here, the fender wasn't going in exactly. We got that fitted here, and then on the other side there's just 1, 2, 3 bolts, and then this fender kind of comes out. So we're good to go. We're going to test it, and have no bolts left over, so that's a good sign. So that's all there is to it. So good luck to you guys to do this yourself, and leave comments below if there's any questions about what I did here. And there you go. Peace out.